This is a flounder rig. Some of these cost up to $15 in a bait and tackle store. When you open this thing, it explodes into a mess. This is going to get snagged the first time you cast it out. Because when you're fishing for a fluke, you're fishing on structure. Let me show you how to make the simplest and most effective fluke rig. Pull your main line out from your rod and reel. Double your line over. And make a double overhand knot. Put your weight on that. Now that's the end of your fishing line. Cut your tag. Now come up about 8 inches. Grab your line there and double it over. And make another double knot. Now take that loop, put the loop through the eye of the hook and bring the loop over the fishing hook and pull up. Now you have a simple but very effective fluke rig